Buying a home can be one of the most exciting and important moments of your life. In this video, I will walk you through the home buying process step by step. So grab your pen, paper, and coffee if you must, because we're starting right after this. Hi, my name is Lay Villar Cisneros, your real estate go-to resource in the Greater Toronto Area. And I post real estate related contents every week to help families like yours in their journey of buying, selling, or financing a home. To see more contents like this, subscribe to my channel now and don't forget to hit the bell so that you will be notified first when a new video is released. Now, if you're ready, let's get started. For most people, a home is not just a roof over their head, a place to eat, sleep, play, or start a family. It is also the biggest investment of their life. So before you run out and start looking for a property, take note of your circumstances to see if buying is the right choice for you right now. So whether it's your first or your fifth, you'll discover that if you bought a house without enough information, that you will be in a chaotic mess. But don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll divvy up this video into 3 series just to make it more palatable for you. So in this video, we'll talk about step number 1, assessing your credit and finances. So let's get started. Step number 1, assessing your credit and finances. Since all lenders will look at your credit score first, it is just proper to address that right now. Get an up-to-date full report of your credit history to check if there are blemishes that you need to fix. To get the most out of the home buying process, credit scores of 680 and above should be your starting point. Did you know that if you haven't used a credit and you always use cash for all your transactions, that you might not have any credit history, and because of that, you might not have a credit score. But also remember, if you use credit most of the time and you are almost at the max, that your score will also plummet in a flash. The key is moderation and pay down as soon as you can. If you want more info on boosting your credit, check out my video about boosting credit. I will link the description below. Since the majority of us need some mortgage to buy a house, it is important to have your debt loads at a minimum and proportionate to your income. Your total housing costs, including your mortgage payment, should not exceed 35% of your gross monthly income, while your total debt loads, including your mortgage payment and your housing costs, must not go over 40% of your gross income. So the more loans that you have to pay, the less money there is for the mortgage payment, and therefore your purchasing power will also be lower. Talking about income, do you have a stable employment to pay for all your expenses? When you buy a home, you will also pay for utilities like cable, phone, insurance, etc. The rule of thumb is you have to have at least 2 years of employment in the same job or in the same industry. Unless you have a full-time permanent employment, hopping from one industry to another shows instability and will affect the approval of your mortgage. Do you have enough savings to cover for your down payment, closing costs, and have a room for the unexpected? Would you have a financial cushion in case that you lose a job, you got sick, there's family emergency, you start a family, you pay for alimony in case you got divorced? All these things should have to be considered before you take the plunge. If you have all completed and answered yes to the above, it's time for you to get a pre-approval. If you like your current bank and would like them to service your mortgage, bring in your job letter and your pay stub and get a pre-approval. If you have already hired an agent, you can ask them to refer you to their favorites. We deal with a lot of lenders and brokers, so I'm pretty sure that they will just be so happy to provide you with that information. So we usually don't get a kickback for doing this. I don't, So we will be more than glad to refer you so we can start looking for a house. Whoa, that's a lot of information and we're only on step 1. Did you take some notes? You can go back over and over in this video in case that you missed some pointers. By the way, did you subscribe yet? Do it right now and don't forget to hit the bell so you will be one of the first to be notified when the next goods has been released. Thank you so much for watching and I hope that you learned something. Write down your questions in the comment section below and I'll make sure I read and answer them. If you like this video, give me some love and hit the thumbs up. My name is Lay Villar Cisneros from Right at Home Realty and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now!